Hi all, welcome back to my channel Sunshine Works. Today we are discussing about user management in Linux, how to create users, how to give their permissions and how to create passwords and how to give their permissions and how to connect with another terminal by using user management and how to create their users. Let's see. Let's get started. I'm going to taking a server as EC2. Let's go to EC2 instances. Here I'm going to taking as one server, branded server, launch instance. Here I'm going to taking as Linux lab. Here I'm taking as image on mission image is 12. Instance type as T2 micro, 1 CPU, 1 GB memory. So it's enough for you. So I'm going to taking as T2 micro. There, there is no key pairs. So refresh and create a new key pair. Key pro, key pair name has pro, and then launch. Create a key pair, and here desktop things are in default. SSH traffic. And then launch instance. Successfully launch their instance. So I'm going to check their instances, go to their instances, and in filtering, I'm going to keep as running, check in, and then connect, copy the SSH command, and go to the terminal. Here I'm going to change the directory by using command called cd downloads, autocomplete, paste it in SSH command, enter. Yes, successfully connected their server. So I'm going to change their host name by using command called sudo vi slash etc slash hostname. Delete this IP address, insert I, Linux lab, escape, shift column WQ. By using, I'm going to reboot the server by using command called sudo init 6. It is a one type of run level. Int 6. Int 0 means shut down the server. Int 6 means reboot the server. Enter. Again, I'm going to connect it via SSH command. Again, it will take one sec, 5 to 10 seconds. Successfully connected the server. So let's get first we have to update the server by using command called sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. We can update the server. Successfully updated server. Let's I'm going to create a user by using command called sudo user add. Uday. I'm going to create password by using command called sudo password. Uday. Here I'm going to give us new password. Successfully updated their password. So here I'm going to create a directory, nested directory, folder in folder by using command called sudo mkdir -p slash home slash ubuntu slash uday. Here I am going to check their permissions by using command called ll. See, uday is in root, so I'm going to change their uday by using command called sudo chone uday 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 folder. Let's check ll. See, uday change their permissions. So let's I'm going to edit one file by I'm going to edit the one file. So by using command called sudo vi sudo's file. This is the sudo's file. Here I'm going to change their root privileges. Here I'm going to give their name, root privilege, user privilege specification. Here I'm going to give their name called Uday and permissions. Here all permissions I am to copy and paste it. Escape, sorry, Control O, enter, Control X. Why? Because this is a nano. So by using by using a command call to save that file means Control O, enter, and then to exit the file by using command call Control X. Let's going to another file by using command called sudo slash etc sshd config. Sorry, config sshd config. Sorry, here I am going to use sudo vi slash etc sshd config. Here I am going to change the permissions. Password authentication. Here this is uncommon common there password authentication. See, comment there password authentication. So I'm going to uncomment this uncomment this. So by using insert I here, remove it. Call to call, uncomment this password authentication, uncomment this setting. Let's then escape shift column WQ to save this file. Here another file cd again slash etc ssh sshd config.t ls. This file I'm going to change this. I'm going to edit this file by using command called sudo vi 60 autocomplete. Password authentication is no. So I'm going to change there yes. 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 And then escape shift column WQ to save the file. CD. Here I'm going to restart their SSH by using before that I'm going to show one of you, that is sudo cat /etc password. Here see, the shell is in slash home slash uday slash bin slash sh is there. So I'm go here now I'm going to change that shell by I'm going to change that shell by using sh to bash to convert sh to bash by using command called sudo sudo chsh change shell -s /bin /bash. Okay, let's see in 1 second. Sorry. Here I am not give their name. So by using command called sudo change shell chsh -s /bin /bash uday. Why? Because I am going to give as uday to change that shell. See once. Here I am going to change their sh to bash. Change it successfully. Here I am going to restart their SSH by using command called sudo systemctl restart SSH. Here I am going to restart their service also by using command called sudo systemctl restart ssh.service. Here I am going to connect their server by using command called sudo -u means username uday SSH localhost. I'm going to connect there another server. CD downloads. SSH command. Uday. Username Uday. At the rate of. Here I'm going to taking as server IP address. Server IP address. Copy this public IPv4 address and paste it. Enter. Yes. Password. Yeah, successfully connected their server. Successfully configured their server. Uday at the rate of Linux lab. So this is the user management Linux. How to create users, how to create password, how to configure how to change their permissions and how to give their permissions, how to start their SSH and how to connect their via password. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Please give me a valuable support for me. Give, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.